So we got my Miata up on jack stands right now. One, to fix a brake cable, but two, there's been this really obnoxious like rattle that really just, it's only during idle and it's not related to throttle at all. So, I mean, me and Corey came up with this idea to, you know, fix it. We're like, this thing needs to be gone. It definitely needs to be gone completely. So how are we going to do it? We drop the exhaust. We're going to make this thing louder than the knock.
You ready?
Fire in the hole!
3, 2, 1. Oh, stupid music.
Oh, the GoPro just died. Flying off.
Hey Colton, I don't hear no knocking.
I don't hear no knocking. Yeah!